Mike Brailsford with Brailsford Woodworks here. Today I'm going to be discussing the Dewalt DW735 Planer. I bought my first one in 2015, and this is it actually. And let's go over some of the features it has. It is a full 13-inch width, which is one of the reasons I got it. I also got it because it's a three-blade head rather than a two-blade head. My previous planer was a rigid. It was also 13-inch, but it only had two blades. It also has the two-speed planing, low and high speed. It's 179 cuts per inch on the low speed and 96 cuts per inch on the high speed, and that gives you, on the low speed, it gives you a much finer surface. What I use it for is when I make my end grain cutting boards, I actually plane the end grain. I know that's some people kind of cringe at that, but it's one of the best ways I've found to getting them flat. Couple keys to that is you have to take very shallow cuts, and you definitely have to go on the slow speed. Another feature it has the preset depth markers for anything you want that go all the way to from 1¼ inch down to 1/8 of an inch, which I'm not sure I would do. I've tried it before, and you're starting to get into territory where the piece of wood will fall apart on you and shoot back out at you. It has it's a 4-post design, which is nice. It's you don't have a lot of flex in the machine that way. One of the things that it offers as an accessory is the fold-out table on the front and the back. That's a little bit different than other brands. The rigid came with it stock. I had a Ryobi before that. It came with it stock. I don't know. I think this should come with it, but it's an extra cost, and I'm not sure exactly what it is. All right, some of the negatives about this machine. A little more plastic than I like in here. I found that with this Torx wrench that's included, sometimes getting the blades, the knives off are somewhat problematic. If you've put a little too much torque on them, they can be a little bit hard to get out. I've actually had to drill one out before because it eventually stripped the Torx screw, and it wasn't going to come out any other way, and I had to buy a replacement. Which brings me to my big con with this machine, is that as of right now, at least where I am, I'm near Fayetteville, North Carolina, but I work in Raleigh, and in the greater Raleigh area, there is not an authorized service center within 150 miles. So right now, this one died on me. I was in the middle of a big project. This was a matter of, I don't know, 6 months ago, and I needed it bad. I couldn't wait for trying to fix it, so I went out and bought a second one, which is over there, and it's worked just fine until just recently on another big project I'm working on. It has up and died. I think the motor may have burned out on it. But because of that, because of the lack of a service center anywhere near me, I now have to crate it up and send it to them and then wait for it to come back. I can't believe, I know personally of at least 4 other tool repair places in the greater Raleigh area. I can't believe they haven't approached any one of them to become an authorized service center for them. I just don't understand it. So, overall, this one has been a good machine. Very disappointed with the second one, which is, brand new this year. I guess you take your shots. You don't always get get the best when you buy equipment. There can always be a dud. So overall, it's been a good machine. I don't mind. It's a pretty easy one to use. I like the low profile look of it. But look, Dewalt, you need to get yourself some more service centers, you know, pronto. And I do know that last one they had in Raleigh before they closed, it was always busy, and I don't get how it ended up closed. But more service centers, and try to get rid of some of this plastic. But beyond that, it's a pretty good machine, and I'd probably recommend it. At any rate, thank you all for watching. This is a short one today. Please look at some of my suggested videos here, and here. And thank you all for watching, and stay safe. Bye-bye.